Okay, let's get started. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Melissa and I make new videos every week. This week I'm going to show you how to create this fall makeup look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you want to recreate it, make sure you tag me in any photos that you post on your social media. This look is awesome for Thanksgiving, or if you have any big event coming up in the fall. It is a little bit more on the glam side with the bold lip and the highlight, but I really had a lot of fun playing around with the colors on my eyes because I don't often do a lot of color, so this is a nice change for me to get to experiment things like this for you guys. And if you enjoyed this kind of look, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will try to recreate another bold, colorful glam look for you guys. And I will see you guys next week. And if you're not part of the family already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you're not part of the family yet, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I post every week. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.